side of the top. I feel, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
Naapang Oh my gosh. What is she doing?
I'm vlogging.
Come on here. Come on. Here.
You know, look at that.
Look at this. Cars. What are you doing? Tikwa?
Oh, Hello Kitty! Yo, guys. You wanna know what I look like? I wanted to know that you're not gonna recognize me. I will show you a part 2 when I get my Lala's phone when I turn older. Okay, guys? I'll give you a face reveal if I turn older and you don't look recognizable. Okay? Peace out. We're gonna be soon.
Girlie, are you...
Spider-Man. I like Spider-Man.
Are you a Braganza?
My
Kasi ako di
God.
bakit mo pagka-Braganza niya?
Wow, banana.
Magpintas niya.
I'm gonna do without the filter, but it's sweet. Without the filter, this is my sister. Kiss. She cute, right? She's cute. So, you just turned
Ano
on.
tikwa na? Yung pusit set? Ayaw, one. Ayaw da.
Tita, that's one the window shield. I was burping. Did you hear
Hindi mo
me?
na yan. Kasi ka nakaisaw. Nagmana ka ata sa akin na banana.
Hello.
Hi guys! Please support my YouTube vlog.
I like this
I want to sing like this is my last.
Spider-Man.
But I'm just gonna use it. Spoil.
How old are you na, banana?
Spider-Man.
She is.
I like
She's turning 3. She's turning 3.
When?
I do not know.
June 28.
28?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Malapit na.
Yeah, next month.
Ako,
Ay,
next
malapit ka ng mag-birthday.
1 month na ako. 1 year na. 1 year.
1 year older.
1 year
On the
older ako.
21st.
Wait, banana, wait.
Yes, you're here. Ano ko na? So Wednesday na pala yung birthday mo.
I am 7 years older than her.
8 banana.
I'm 8 years older than her.
Part hour ko.
Bye, guys. Bye, next vlog. Ay.